Does your kitchen feel outdated, messy, or not as useful as it should be? The kitchen is the heart of the home, but over time, it can lose its charm. Maybe your cabinets look worn out. Maybe storage feels too small. Or maybe poor lighting makes the space feel dull. In 2025, kitchen makeovers are smarter, more stylish, and easier than ever. The right upgrades can make any kitchen feel brand new, without a huge budget. From clever storage ideas to high-tech gadgets, these simple changes will transform your space. Let's dive in. 1. The smart kitchen revolution. Technology is changing our lives in amazing ways, and now it's transforming the kitchen. Imagine a kitchen that listens to you, responds to your voice, and makes cooking easier than ever. In 2025, smart kitchens are more advanced than ever before. No more struggling to turn on the lights when your hands are messy. No more wondering if you're out of milk. With voice-activated assistants, smart fridges, and motion sensor faucets, everything becomes effortless. Smart coffee makers start brewing your morning coffee before you even get out of bed. Ovens preheat with a simple command from your phone. Some smart stovetops can even adjust heat levels automatically to prevent burning. But smart kitchens aren't just about making life easier. They also make space look sleek and modern. Touchscreen panels replace old buttons. Wireless charging spots keep your devices powered up while you cook. Everything feels futuristic yet practical. Smart technology isn't just for big kitchens. Even small kitchens can feel spacious and efficient with the right gadgets. 2. Less clutter, more space. The minimalist kitchen. A cluttered kitchen can feel overwhelming. Messy counters, stuffed cabinets, and no space to move. It makes cooking stressful. But in 2025, homeowners are saying goodbye to the mess and choosing a cleaner, more peaceful kitchen. The secret? Smart storage and minimalist design. Modern kitchens are all about sleek, organized layouts. No more crowded countertops or struggling to find space for appliances. Instead, everything has a place, making the kitchen look neat and stylish. Imagine opening a drawer and seeing every utensil neatly lined up. No more digging around. Built-in organizers keep everything in place, so you can grab what you need instantly. And cabinets? They're getting smarter. Just press lightly, and the door glides open, no handles needed. It looks modern and makes cooking easier. Foldable countertops give extra room when you need it, then tuck away when you don't. Perfect for small kitchens. With fewer items out in the open, cleaning becomes a breeze. No more grease collecting on too many surfaces. Just wipe and go. A minimalist kitchen means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your space. 3. Bold colors and stylish backsplashes. For years, white kitchens have been the go-to choice. They're clean, bright, and classic. But in 2025, homeowners are stepping away from plain white and embracing bold, rich colors. Deep greens, navy blues, and warm earth tones are taking over cabinets and walls. These colors don't just look stylish. They make the kitchen feel cozy, inviting, and full of personality. But it's not just about cabinets. Backsplashes are getting a major upgrade too. Instead of simple white tiles, homeowners are choosing bold patterns, textured surfaces, and even metallic finishes. These details add depth and character to the space, making the kitchen stand out. Deep blue cabinets paired with a shimmering gold backsplash. Instantly, the kitchen looks elegant and unique. Or imagine soft sage green cabinets with a backsplash that has a subtle, hand-painted design. A space that feels both modern and charming. For those who love change, peel and stick backsplashes are a game changer. They're easy to apply and remove, making it simple to experiment with different styles. Whatever your style, color and texture can transform your kitchen with minimal effort. But what if your kitchen still feels small? Don't worry, we have got a game-changing trick coming up next. For small kitchen genius space-saving ideas. Not everyone has a big kitchen, but even small spaces can be stylish and functional. In 2025, smart storage solutions are making tiny kitchens feel bigger. Foldable countertops, pull-out pantries, and wall-mounted shelves create extra space without making the kitchen feel crowded. A foldable countertop gives extra prep space when needed and folds away when not. Pull-out pantries are slim, hidden shelves that slide out, holding spices, canned goods, or even appliances. Wall-mounted shelves and magnetic racks keep tools and ingredients handy while freeing up space. Even simple touches, like under-cabinet hooks and stackable containers, make a big difference. A small kitchen can still be a dream kitchen with smart design tricks. But what if the lighting makes it feel dark and cramped? That's where the next upgrade comes in. 5. Brighten up. The power of good lighting. Lighting can completely change the way a kitchen looks and feels. Even the most stylish kitchen can seem dull if the lighting isn't right. In 2025, homeowners are focusing on smart lighting solutions to make their kitchens brighter, more open, and more welcoming. The right lighting doesn't just improve visibility, it also adds warmth, depth, and personality to the space. One of the simplest and most effective upgrades is under-cabinet LED lighting. These small but powerful lights brighten up countertops, making cooking and meal prep easier. They also create a beautiful, modern glow that highlights kitchen features. Pendant lights are another game changer. Hanging above islands or dining areas, they add both function and style. Whether you choose sleek, modern designs or vintage-inspired fixtures, pendant lights can become a statement piece in your kitchen. Smart lighting takes convenience to a whole new level. With just a voice command or a tap on your phone, you can adjust brightness and even change the color of your lights. Imagine setting a warm, golden glow for a cozy dinner or switching to bright white light for cooking, all without touching a switch. A well-lit kitchen doesn't just look better, it feels bigger, cleaner, and more inviting. And when paired with the right color scheme, it can completely transform your space. But lighting isn't the only way to refresh your kitchen. 6. Quick and affordable countertop upgrades. New countertops can be one of the most expensive kitchen upgrades. But in 2025, homeowners have smart, budget-friendly options to refresh their surfaces without spending a fortune. One of the easiest and most effective solutions is peel and stick countertop covers. These covers mimic the look of marble, granite, or wood, giving your kitchen a high-end feel without the high price tag or the hassle of a full renovation. They're easy to apply, removable, and perfect for renters or anyone who loves to change up their style. Not only do these covers look great, but they're also built to last. Many are heat and stain resistant, making them both stylish and practical for everyday cooking and food prep. Another budget-friendly option is refinishing existing countertops using special paint or epoxy resin. This method transforms old, worn-out surfaces into sleek, modern countertops without the need for a full replacement. It's a DIY-friendly project that saves money while giving your kitchen a fresh, updated look. Even small details can make a big difference. Adding a wooden butcher block section on top of an existing counter creates a warm, natural touch that's perfect for meal prep. Decorative trays, stylish cutting boards, or a simple vase with fresh flowers can instantly elevate the look of your countertops without any major changes. 7. Smart storage solutions. Making every inch count. A well-organized kitchen doesn't just look good, it makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. In 2025, smart storage solutions are taking kitchens to the next level, helping homeowners maximize every inch of space while keeping things neat and stylish. No more messy countertops or cluttered cabinets. With a few clever upgrades, your kitchen can feel bigger, more efficient, and completely stress-free. Deep drawer organizers are a game changer. Instead of stacking pots, pans, and utensils in a messy pile, everything has a dedicated space. Imagine opening a drawer and instantly finding the exact tool you need. No digging, no frustration. Ceiling-mounted storage is another smart solution. Hanging racks for pots and pans not only free up cabinet space but also add a professional, chef-inspired look to the kitchen. Magnetic knife holders and wall-mounted spice racks keep frequently used items within reach while clearing up valuable counter space. Pull-out trash and recycling bins help maintain a clean, clutter-free look, keeping waste hidden but easy to access. Even small changes, like stackable shelves, under-shelf baskets, and rotating trays inside cabinets, make a big difference in how organized the kitchen feels. 8. High-tech kitchen gadgets for 2025. Smart gadgets are transforming kitchens, making everyday tasks easier, faster, and even more enjoyable. In 2025, homeowners are using the latest technology to simplify cooking, cleaning, and organization. With just a few upgrades, your kitchen can feel more modern, efficient, and high-tech. One of the most exciting innovations is the smart faucet. With just a wave of your hand, water flows instantly, no need to touch anything. This is perfect when your hands are messy from cooking, and it also helps conserve water. Another must-have is the smart oven. Imagine preheating your oven from your phone while you're still at the store. Or using a voice command to set the temperature without even pressing a button. These high-tech features make cooking faster and more convenient. Smart refrigerators are another game changer. They don't just keep food fresh, they actually help you manage it. With built-in cameras and AI, your fridge can show you what's inside while you're at the grocery store. It can suggest recipes based on what you have and even remind you when food is about to expire. No more wasted groceries or last-minute trips to the store because you forgot the milk. Your fridge has you covered. Even small kitchen gadgets are getting smarter. Automatic coffee makers start brewing your favorite drink before you even wake up, so your coffee is ready the moment you step into the kitchen. Smart trash cans open with a simple wave and even sort your recycling, making cleanup effortless. 9. The eco-friendly kitchen, smart and sustainable. A kitchen makeover in 2025 is all about style and sustainability. Homeowners are choosing energy-efficient appliances that save electricity and water, lowering utility bills. Eco-friendly materials like bamboo and recycled glass are replacing traditional options, adding durability and style. LED lighting reduces energy use while brightening spaces. Simple swaps like compost bins, reusable storage, and washable cloths help cut waste. These smart changes create a beautiful, greener kitchen that benefits both the home and the planet. 10. Multifunctional furniture. Smart use of space. Kitchens in 2025 are multifunctional spaces where families gather, work, and cook. Smart furniture like expandable islands, foldable tables, and pull-out countertops maximize space while adding style and convenience. Hidden storage, built-in seating, and charging stations make life easier. Wall-mounted shelves keep kitchens organized, and wireless charging counters eliminate messy cords. These innovations create a stylish, efficient, and clutter-free kitchen. 11. Open shelving. Style meets function in 2025. Bulky cabinets are being replaced with sleek open shelves. This design makes kitchens look bigger, brighter, and more modern. With open shelves, everything is easy to reach. Plates, glasses, and spices are all within sight, making cooking more convenient. Plus, they create a great space to display beautiful dinnerware, glass jars, or even small potted plants. Worried about dust? The key is to keep shelves simple and organized. Using matching dishware, woven baskets, and clear storage containers helps everything look neat and stylish. For those who want both style and storage, a mix of cabinets and open shelving is a great solution. This way, everyday items are easy to grab, while other things stay hidden behind closed doors. With open shelves, kitchens feel more spacious, inviting, and functional. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back. 12. Stunning backsplashes. A small change, big impact. A backsplash can completely change the look of a kitchen. In 2025, homeowners are moving beyond simple tiles and choosing bold, stylish designs. One of the top trends is textured backsplashes. From glossy glass to handcrafted ceramic tiles, these surfaces add depth and character to a kitchen. Some homeowners even use metallic or mirrored tiles to reflect light and make the space feel bigger. For those who love easy DIY projects, peel and stick backsplashes are a game changer. These come in beautiful designs, are budget-friendly, and can be installed in just a few hours. No grout, no mess, no stress. A well-chosen backsplash adds personality and makes even a simple kitchen look high-end. 13. Ergonomic kitchen design. Comfort and ease. A kitchen should not only look good, it should feel good to use. In 2025, more homeowners are designing kitchens with ergonomic features to make cooking easier and more comfortable. One of the best upgrades is adjustable height islands. Some can be raised or lowered for different tasks, making them perfect for people of all heights. Soft close cabinets and drawers are also a must-have. No more slamming doors. These open and close smoothly with just a light touch. Another smart change is pull-out shelves inside lower cabinets. Instead of bending down to reach pots and pans, these sliding shelves bring everything within easy reach. For those who cook for long hours, anti-fatigue mats placed in front of the sink or stove help reduce foot and leg strain. With ergonomic design, a kitchen becomes more enjoyable to use, reducing strain and making everyday tasks easier. 14. Kitchen maintenance. Keeping it beautiful. A kitchen makeover doesn't end after renovations. Keeping the space clean and organized ensures it stays fresh and stylish for years. One of the best habits is using the right cleaning products. For example, marble and quartz need special cleaners to prevent stains. Butcher block countertops should be treated with oil to keep them polished. For cabinets and drawers, a quick weekly wipe down prevents grease buildup. Homeowners are also using cabinet liners to protect shelves from spills and stains. Smart appliances need regular care too. Descaling coffee makers, cleaning oven filters, and wiping down touch screens keep everything working smoothly. To keep things organized, a seasonal decluttering session helps remove expired pantry items and rearrange shelves for better storage. With simple maintenance, a kitchen will continue to look brand new long after the makeover is done. 15. The final touch. Adding personality and warmth. A kitchen should be more than just functional, it should feel like home. That's why the final step in any makeover is adding personal touches that bring warmth and personality. Open shelves with decorative dishes, small plants, and framed photos create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Soft rugs, wooden accents, and stylish bar stools make the space feel comfortable. Even small details, like unique cabinet handles or colorful dish towels, can make a kitchen stand out. For those who love entertaining, a coffee or wine station is a great addition. It turns the kitchen into a social space where family and friends can gather. At the end of the day, a great kitchen isn't just about trends, it's about creating a space that feels warm, inviting, and perfect for everyday life. A kitchen makeover isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it feels and functions. Smart storage, stylish upgrades, and modern technology can transform any kitchen into a space that's beautiful and efficient. Whether it's open shelving, bold backsplashes, or smart appliances, every change makes a difference. Want more home transformation ideas? Like this video, subscribe for more inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Which kitchen makeover idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.